I'm Maya, and this is Giovanni. We are from Armstrong Middle School in Fairless Hills, PA. We are here in New York City in Times Square to show you what's so cool about manufacturing. Our story starts here in Macron Dynamics in Croydon, PA.
I started this company in a garage. Now it's all over the world and the country.
We do a lot of big frames like this, and gantries we call them.
These CNC machines are placing holes in the beams so that the assemblers can mount our products to them based on the customer's requests.
I am a robotic tech. We come in and have our tablets, which tells us what jobs we have, and up on a big TV screen up front.
Here at Macron, employment is best suited for the new generation because of technology.
I'm Roberto, and I'm a CNC machinist making small parts for all our actuators.
Most times you won't see where our actuators are. Have you ever been to the ESPN zone where the goalie goes back and forth and the football player, that's sitting on top of one of our actuators.
Manufacturing has a great satisfaction.
What I like most about my job is running and operating the saws and operating the forklift.
I guess the best thing I like about my job is every day I come in, it's a new challenge and something different.
You get to be creative. A customer might request something that is very unique.
We're at the National Museum of Mathematics in New York City on a field trip for our school. 4 years ago, Mo Math wanted to create something special and unique to greet each guest as they enter the building. You guessed it, another example of what's so cool about manufacturing, compliments of Macron Dynamics. How did they do it? By building a dynamic wall with 256 belt-driven actuators moving on independent axes.
So what does Times Square have to do with manufacturing?
Well, Maya, in 2015, Macron Dynamics was one of several contractors who contributed to a Guinness Book of World Records-setting project right here in Times Square. You probably have even seen this on TV for New Year's Eve. Right behind us is the world's first and largest 3D billboard.
The billboard in Times Square was made up of 1,760 actuators built right behind me here.
It is estimated that roughly 300,000 people pass through this intersection every day. Pretty cool, right?
To learn more about what's so cool about manufacturing, visit dreamitdoitpa.org.